What is it? A lizard?
Lizard.
A wizard?
Yes, a lizard.
And a bug.
Bug.
And a frog.
Frog.
And a rabbit.
Rabbit.
They're all out there.
Out there.
They're all outside.
Yes, out there.
Did you see the lizard?
No.
Where is the lizard?
No, where is he?
Say, lizard, where are you? Do you want to go to the store?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Can I have that? Give me your booger. Here's the booger. Oh, careful. Did you twist your ankle?